What's up everybody, how's it going? It's me again. We're back with another video. Today I have decided to finally showcase the freaking magic that goes behind my goddamn eyes that you see all the goddamn time. Okay, so the setup room tour is finally here. Now, I have decided to record this because I haven't done this in a while. I haven't done this since 2024 and now it's 2025 or the end of 2025. I have decided it's a little bit goddamn time to showcase what I'm gonna be uploading off and what I upgraded and what I changed and all that stuff that you see but don't see because I only see it and you see only the streams that I see. Goddamn. Okay, first of all, since it's a room tour, we gotta start from the beginning. Goddamn. Okay, so first we have an electric piano. As you know, or maybe do not know, I passed primary school and high school for being a musician, and I was playing this a lot. It's a gem. I don't goddamn know. It has little controls. You can change the sounds. It has the weight of the goddamn real deal. So it's a really nice goddamn piano, but it's not hooked up right now. I don't have any power here. The only freaking outlet is over there, and it's messed up because I already have too many goddamn connected thingies over here. Okay, moving on from here. Okay, so this I need to goddamn upgrade and get a goddamn, I don't know what it's called. It's a thingy for goddamn taking clothes and putting it in the goddamn, I don't goddamn know what it's called. Popped the image, boy, what the hell it is. So everything is over here now. Okay, so first we have two little goddamn shells, a little goddamn greenery. You already know the goddamn deal. We have the little goddamn nice wee lights. You know, already know the goddamn deal. Even though it's November, we have my boy upgraded Xmas vibes. This is me and my grandpa as an AI image. I'll leave me alone, okay? Since I didn't have any chance to take a picture with the man himself, I decided to make this, and it really looks goddamn good. Over here we have goddamn Yoshi the boss, freaking G. We have Angry Birds. I want this at a carnival or some shit. Goddamn now, goddamn no. Now we're gonna pass over from the shelves to the bottom bit. Okay, so you see the goddamn Air Jordan ones. These are comfy as hell. I'm kidding, man. These are Fila's. This was in the last goddamn setup tour or the room tour. These are comfy as hell. I still wear them, not as often, but they're comfy as hell. Secondly, we have this beautiful goddamn light. You can change the goddamn shit. These are all connected. I have 3 of these. They're all over here. Don't worry, that's not a cable of the goddamn shit underneath the goddamn desk. That's the cable of the headphones, okay? I have it all neatly tied up. I'll show you in a bit, goddamn. So first you can change these colors, goddamn schemes, and all that goddamn good pajamas, right? But the good bit is it looks cozy, man. Goddamn. Now, to the good part. Well, I'm not gonna open that because if I open it, I'm not gonna be able to close it. It's a lot of shit here. I tidied up my goddamn room and put everything inside. Leave me alone. Okay, first of all, over here, we have a little goddamn plant, a goddamn greenery. I love greenery. Next, we have a Samsung watch. It's a Watch 5. Oh, fully charged, man. I can wear it. I use it all the goddamn time. It's a good ass goddamn watch. It's a 5. It's like 3 years old or some shit. It was 100 goddamn euros and it was used, but it's like it was not really goddamn used. Okay, we have the god itself, the PS5, the thing that started it all. I have started streaming on the PS4, passed over to the PS5, and then recorded most of my videos on this goddamn G. Now, what I would do is I would record on this, I would pass it over on the USB. I'm gonna show you here. I'm gonna pass it. I would pass it on the USB, and then I would push this shit into my goddamn phone, and then edit all my videos, about a 200 of them, plus the other, I would say 1200 videos of shorts that is edited on my goddamn old phone. Basically, this is a goddamn G. Now it's placed over here. I use it for cozy gaming when I'm goddamn chilling on the goddamn bed. When I don't want to get to the setup, I use this shit all the goddamn time. We have a 50-inch Samsung I don't know what it's called. It's some special Samsung shit. It's a 4K 60 FPS, but it has ultra latency gaming mode, which is nice as hell. Samsung, get the good goddamn. Basically, I'm fell in love with this TV, goddamn. It was cheap as hell. It's like a middle class goddamn TV. You have the goddamn remote over here, goddamn. Look at the goddamn remote, goddamn bossy as hell. I bought this now and it's sick as hell. Next up, we have, I'm not gonna show myself, 2 posters of my 2 very good movies that I love. Donnie Brasco and A Bronx Tale. They're really good movies. I haven't goddamn looked at them. You have to check them out. This one is really good. Al Pacino and goddamn Johnny Depp as a goddamn young man. Over here is Robert De Niro and Lilo Baconti. I don't goddamn know. We have 3 more posters over here. We have Goodfellas. We have Back to the Future and the legendary goddamn show, The Sopranos. It's a nice sale. If you haven't checked it out, what are you doing with your life? Goddamn, pass me the gabagool. Next up, we're gonna go from shelf. This is my better side. Goddamn, look at us, man. Look at us, man. We're cute as hell. My childhood friend bought me this sign. You can put batteries in it, and it also has a C port, but I just use it for aesthetic. I bought this when I was in Venice, in Italy, a few weeks ago. It's a magnet, but I don't know where the goddamn put it, so I just put it over here, man. Next up, we have some goddamn greenery, the good greenery. We also have greenery over here, and this is my old Red Dragon keyboard. It's a 60% K630, I think. It's a good mechanical keyboard, a good startup. It's really nice. I love it. But it's in the past now. Listen to the clickies. Oh yeah, that's good. We have the Coca-Cola. This is also in Venice, or Murano, goddamn islands. This is all goddamn plant, because you already know I love the greenery, goddamn. Now, we're gonna start with the lights. These lights are GX Trust Neon RGB, freaking full on goddamn gamer mode, goddamn lights. It's a 5-meter big strip. I bought it on sale. It was cheap as hell. It's really nice. You already saw the 2 goddamn lights on both sides. They're really nice as hell. I'm gonna sit down actually and start explaining what I have over here. First of all, this is my second channel, as you can see, Don Uzi Plus. I have rebranded my Don Uzi Shorts channel and is straight up goddamn switched over. Now, this monitor is a Xiaomi 30-inch ultra wide, which means it's like a half 2K resolution. It's a 2560 times 1080. It's like a full HD but extended, right? I have used this as my primary monitor. This was my monitor in the last goddamn setup. It was lovely, but I had a problem with it. The ultra wide mode messed with me badly. Also, it has 200 hertz, which is freaking insane. It's a really nice goddamn option, but I would take over this monitor over this one any goddamn time. Now, we have the PS5 camera. Now you're wondering, how did you connect the camera to the PC? I'm a pro, okay? So this camera is only and can be used on the goddamn PS5. Basically, you can transform your PS5 camera and use it through OBS. Now, it's a little bit of a goddamn pain in the goddamn ass to use it, but still usable. It's not that goddamn pain in the ass. It's a pain in the ass, but not a pain in the ass, if you get me. Goddamn. Let's get to this monitor. We have a Samsung G5, 165 hertz. 2K freaking 1 millisecond response time, a beast of a goddamn monitor, okay? It's really nice as hell. The colors are good, the resolution is good, the hertz is good, everything is goddamn good. If you see over here, you see a controller and an audio mixer. Now, this and this is Fifine. Fifine, well freaking done. These are budget friendly goddamn audio mixer and stream deck, right? In my opinion, really good goddamn competition for Elgato. Elgato, watch your freaking ass out. Do you have RGB? Elgato doesn't have RGB. And goddamn, it has everything. This is OBS. I can control my goddamn OBS, no goddamn problem with this goddamn controller. I can control startup applications. This is Spotify. I can use Spotify too. Everything works good. This is voice mod, but I haven't done this in a while, so that's why there's a goddamn question mark. Why is there a question mark? Goddamn. It works the same as a goddamn Stream Deck, and for the low price of, I think you can find one now about 60 euros on AliExpress, if you goddamn believe it or not. Nah. This is their audio mixer, which is really good. This thing is really nice as hell. You have a built-in goddamn voice mods on the goddamn controller. You have auto tune on the goddamn audio mixer. That's sick. Fifine, I'm telling you right now, you did a really goddamn good job. Really freaking good. Now, we have a Logitech. I don't know what goddamn model this is. It's a Logitech keyboard. It's a mechanical 100% keyboard. It's really nice to heal. Oh yeah, baby, goddamn. I have paired up Logitech, and Logitech. This is a G102. I have to change this. It's nice in the hand, but it's like a cheap mouse, right? It's not full on goddamn Logitech stuff. And I want to get a Bluetooth one because this is wired. Okay, next up, we have another Logitech product. These are the same goddamn headphones from last time, and I still use them. They're really good. The only thing that started to mess with me is you have a little slider for the volume over here. You see? You have the little slider for the volume for 60 freaking euros that I bought them, and they're really good. Now, let's get to the fun bit. This is a gaming PC. Of course, goddamn, no shit, goddamn. Basically, this is an i5 14400F paired up with a 4060 by MSI. It has an MSI motherboard too. It's an H610, I think. I have 1 terabyte SSD, which I'm gonna have to upgrade. These now being 100 gigabytes each when it comes to Warzone, GTA, or some other shit. Let's say Apex. Apex is an old ass game that I love playing, but for some reason it has 80 goddamn gigabytes. Why do they need 80 goddamn gigabytes? I mean, let me know, please. I need to upgrade my RAM to 32 gigs. Now it's 16 gigabytes DDR4 RAM, but I'm gonna upgrade to a 32 gig. I'm really happy with this PC. It's really good, and the only things that I want to upgrade for now is the RAM, and I want to buy an RGB so it looks nice as hell. I want to buy the RAM, 2 sticks of RAM. I want to buy a liquid cool that goes on top, the two another 2 fans on top. I want to buy the liquid cool because sometimes the stock cooler gets freaking riled up. It sounds like a freaking jet plane flying or a PS4, I don't know what, but it's insane when it comes to goddamn sound. Yeah, that's about it. The GPU I'm gonna keep for a while, since GTA 6 has again been delayed. Rockstar, please start working or some shit. If you wanna hire me, I'm open. Goddamn. Basically, yeah, I'm really happy with this PC, with the setup. The last thing that is on the right side is my mic. I have bought this stand. It's really nice as hell. This is a White Shark USB mic. I have bought this. This is the same mic that I used all my goddamn time. I have used this thing for, I think it's 2.5 years now. I would hook this up to the PS5 and then have it on a stand which would have the rubber thingy so it would cling every time I move the goddamn stand. And basically I keep this on the little goddamn hand that it has, man. But basically, yeah, I'm happy with this mic for now. Basically, this is it, man. I'm happy that I finally did this. I can see that I have fully finished my setup and I'm happy with everything. I was like, I'm like a goddamn kid when it comes to this, right? Everything that I wanted to, that I dreamed of is here. Everything I have, right? But basically, yeah, I'm gonna end it here. If you want to see more of this, please let me know down in the comment section below. Like this video if you like, of course, and consider subscribing, consider joining the family. It's free, plus it will help out a lot. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.